Is Stockhero, the automated stock trading platform, actually any good? We tested it out and here's what we found. Stockhero is a cloud-based platform that lets you build, test, and run automated trading bots with zero coding required. It's marketed toward beginners and intermediate traders who want to trade smarter, not harder. We tried creating a few bots using their templates and strategy builder. The setup was intuitive: drag and drop logic, clear parameters, and easy backtesting. Even without programming skills, we were able to get bots up and running within minutes. The backtesting features was helpful. Although limited to certain market conditions, live trading worked smoothly on connected brokerages like Alpaca and Interactive Brokers. But real profits still depend on your strategy. Stock Hero was a free plan with basic features, but to unlock serious tools like multiple bots or advanced backtesting, you'll need a paid subscription. The pros: it's user-friendly, web-based, and great for beginner exploring automated trading. The cons: limited customization for advanced users and no guarantee of profitability. So, is Stock Hero worth it? If you're new to trading bots or want a simple way to automate strategies without coding, it's a solid platform to start with. Just remember, automation helps, but smart strategies still win. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.